Many of you in the Northern Hemisphere are experiencing autumn, the time of year when many trees undergo a beautiful transformation, showcasing a stunning array of orange, yellow, and red hues which completely alter our landscapes. But several of you may be asking yourselves, why do the leaves change color? And why do the leaves fall? In this video, we will be explaining exactly that. So before we go into why the leaves actually change their color in the autumn, I want to talk about why they fall in the first place. This is due to the fact that as autumn draws nearer, the temperatures get colder and the tree must ensure its survival. Many trees have thin, tender leaves that are full with water sap. Once temperatures drop below freezing, this sap inside the leaves will freeze. This obviously destroys the leaves, thus damaging the tree itself, and this reduces the chances of its survival. So, the tree must shed its leaves. How does it go about doing that? As the days get shorter, the veins that carry sap in and out of the leaves begin to close slowly. A layer of cells, known as the separation layer, begins to form at the base of the leaf stem. Once this separation layer is complete, the leaves detach themselves from the tree and fall to the ground. So, why do leaves actually change their color? To fully understand this, we'll have to talk about three pigments that color leaves. First is chlorophyll, which give leaves their green color. Second are carotenoids, which give leaves their yellow and orangish color. And third are anthocyanins, which give leaves their red color. Chlorophyll is probably the most important out of the three pigments. As many of you may already know, chlorophyll is responsible for the process known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis uses sunlight and CO2 to produce sugars and, as a byproduct, to produce the all-important oxygen that we breathe. Without chlorophyll, plants would be unable to acquire energy, and most life as we know it would cease to exist. The next pigment, carotenoids, is actually found in the leaves throughout the entire year. So why do we only see these hues of yellow and orange during the autumn and not the rest of the year? This is because chlorophyll actually masks the carotenoids. And chlorophyll production is only reduced during the autumn, where they finally start to be removed from the leaves, thus showing the carotenoids and allowing them to be visible to us all. The last pigment, anthocyanins, is responsible for the reds, the purples, and the crimson colors of the leaves. Anthocyanins are mostly produced in the autumn, and only under certain conditions. It's also important to note that anthocyanins are not produced by every species of tree. Research has shown that anthocyanins are actually produced as a form of protection, allowing the tree to recover nutrients from the leaves before they fall to the ground. So, there you have it, the explanation for why the leaves change their color and eventually fall in the autumn. If any further explanation is needed, please look below at the sources that I used for this video. I want to thank you all for watching, and until next time.